Hi there, Gareth of Traffic and Automation here, and in this video we're going to be talking about the mistakes that affiliate marketers must avoid if they want to be successful online. So you may be a beginner to affiliate marketing, just starting out, it's all completely new to you, then you need to make sure that you're not making these mistakes. Now I made these mistakes, friends of mine, they all make these mistakes, and I see every single day many people making these same mistakes online and in our groups. So please, make sure that you watch these. There's only about 5 or 6 of them that I'm going to take you through, but they could be game-changing for you and your online business. Okay, let's get started. So the first one is they dump links. Sorry about my writing. Everywhere. So that is some dreadful writing right there. But they dump their links everywhere. They just barf their links all over the internet, and they think that's going to work. If I just put my links everywhere, then I'll definitely make some money. Somebody's going to click those links and I'm going to get paid somehow. But that is spamming. All you're doing is annoying people. You're annoying your friends and family because you're probably sharing them in social media groups and your friends' pages and also in your personal profile. You're just sending those links everywhere, and literally every group you join, you're perhaps just sharing links inside there thinking that's okay. But because you don't know the rules to any of these groups, you don't know the rules to any of the platforms you're probably just going to get banned. Facebook and social media platforms, they don't like having naked affiliate links shared everywhere. So you need to make sure that you have a strategy in place. You're not just dumping your links everywhere. Now we've done other videos covering how to do this in different ways, how to make sure that you're adding value to make people actually want to click your links. But you need to have a better strategy than just going out there and dumping your links absolutely everywhere. The next one is they don't have reoccurring. Now, what do I mean by that? You basically need to make sure that you've got some subscription products or some reoccurring products inside your portfolio. So products that you're promoting, make sure that a large percentage of them, in fact, I would almost say like the main part of your business should be focusing on reoccurring products, because those are what's going to help you bring stability to your business. They're going to help you quit your job. They are going to help you grow your business because you're going to know what's coming in each and every month. So by knowing what's coming in each month, I know what I can spend to grow my business even further. So if you were paying for ads, but you didn't know what was coming in next month, you might accidentally spend all of your rent money and not be able to pay your bills. So make sure that you have reoccurring in your business, or you do not have a business at all. You just have occasional payments that are coming in as and when they happen, but you have no idea and no control over how and when that is actually going to happen. But reoccurring will bring stability to your business. The other one is they have no patience. No patience at all. So people expect that if I learn affiliate marketing, within a couple of days I should be making lots of money, right? That's how it works. That is not how it works. People go to university for years to learn something. Affiliate marketing, if you give me a few months, I can guarantee that by following just one system, perhaps a free Facebook group, YouTube, SEO, a few months of actually focusing on one thing, taking small continuous actions each and every day, and you will have a successful business that starts to grow and grow and grow. But you have to be patient. Don't just assume that something's going to happen overnight. Don't just assume because you've got some links, now you're going to be able to share them everywhere and you're going to start making money overnight. It doesn't work like that. Otherwise, literally every single person out there would be making millions of dollars. And obviously they're not. So there's many of us making fantastic money, but it's because we've been patient. We've set up reoccurring. We've grown our business. We've focused on a channel, perhaps, as I said, Facebook, YouTube, SEO, whatever the traffic source you want to focus on that one thing. Spend the time to be consistent in what you're doing. Don't give up because something isn't working, because especially with the likes of YouTube and SEO, it takes a little bit of time to get those rankings up, for them to bed in. And when they do start to kick off, then you'll be so grateful that you actually focused on being patient and took small action every single day, regardless of whether it was actually working for you or not. I guarantee that if you keep posting on YouTube, by the time the first videos are done, 10 videos are done, perhaps nothing's really happening still. But if you keep posting and you keep researching the keywords that people are searching for, you will suddenly start to get some traffic, some momentum. And then you'll get more likes, more subscriptions. Your profile will suddenly increase, and with that your rankings will increase, and almost overnight you'll start to get a lot more traffic. But that comes with patience. It doesn't come overnight. You can't just flick a button and make it work straight away. The other one is they don't capture leads. So no leads. If you're not capturing leads, you're not able to actually grow anything. If you're an affiliate and all you're doing is harnessing traffic to send it to other people for their products, but you're not literally capturing any leads, then you own nothing apart from the traffic sources and how you're sending that. That could be paid traffic, it could be YouTube or Facebook, but on those platforms, you don't actually own any of that. You're just leasing that traffic temporarily until either you get banned or stop doing it. So you have to make sure that you're actually collecting leads, you're collecting emails and contacts, because you can promote additional products to them. You shouldn't be just promoting one product. What you ideally want to be doing is giving away something for free, some type of ebook or funnel. If you go to our academy, we can give you lots of information on that, and free funnels and ebooks and stuff that you can give away. But you need to make sure that you're capturing an email first, and then you add value and you start to recommend products. And then add value, recommend products, add value, recommend products. And if they don't take the first product, that's fine. Because over 30 days, a couple of months, a year, they will eventually buy something if you keep adding value. So perhaps they weren't interested in one product, but they are really interested in another. So actually, by just promoting one product with one traffic source, if nobody's buying that, then you're not actually utilizing that traffic properly. So you need to make sure that yes, you have options with those traffic to be able to immediately make sales with affiliate marketing, but you also want to be leveraging that traffic to capture leads so you can promote other products both now and moving forward. People say the money is in the list, and this is what they mean by that. If you have a list, you always have the option to be able to sell some product and generate money overnight. So when it came to the patience part, if you have a list, you do now have the ability to be able to make money overnight, because you can just click your fingers and you can send out emails to promote products and your own products when you start to grow later on. Maybe you want to start creating your own training programs. You now have an audience that you can send that out to, both on perhaps the social media channels that you're using for traffic, but now also your list. So make sure you capture leads. The other one is it's jumping straight into paid ads. Why would you jump straight into something that you don't understand? This is what I don't understand. Why would you start spending money on something that you don't understand? If you're a beginner and you don't really understand about monetizing things, capturing leads, that's basic stuff, but you don't quite understand how to write the content or the headers for the emails yet, you don't understand what marketing funnels are, you have so much to learn, and it's going to take you a little bit of time. So why would you spend money on ads when you don't actually understand the platform properly? You don't really know how to capture and monetize those leads properly yet. So if you're actually paying to send leads into that, then you're potentially going to bleed a lot of money until you test and trial and find something that actually starts to work. So whatever platform you use, I highly recommend that you start with free. So if it's YouTube, start with free. If it's Facebook, start with free groups and grow your groups organically. If it's Instagram, grow organically and then send people to the link. So whatever you're doing, do it free, really understand that platform. Once you understand how it works, then you can start to move on to paid traffic, because now you understand what types of posts people engage with, what people are interested in. But not only that, if you've been smart, you've been starting to build audiences. So perhaps you have added a Facebook pixel. If you don't know what pixels are, it's something that tracks the people that visit your website. And then you're building an audience that you can then target. So that cookies people for up to 6 months. So then a number of months later, you can actually target similar people to the people that did buy products and did visit your websites. So that may seem a little bit confusing, but what I'm saying is just focus on free to start, and then you can move on to paid later on when you understand a little bit more. So understand what you're doing before you start throwing cash at it. Spend your money on tools rather. Have good email marketing tools, have a good funnel builder, have lots of useful tools that are going to help you leverage free traffic and be able to grow your business, rather than just throwing all your budget away in the first week on an ad spend that you don't necessarily is going to work straight away for you. The other is you watch lots of beginner videos on YouTube, and they all tell you it's super easy, this is just what you need to do, you just have to do SEO, or you just need to create a video and find the gaps out there. Depending on what you're promoting, I guarantee that in most cases, it's far more competitive than you realize to be able to rank for SEO, to be able to rank your YouTube videos. So yes, what they're teaching you does actually work 100%, but if you think it's going to work overnight, then you can be very much mistaken. And a lot of these people that are actually telling you this are very experienced, very good affiliates. And I don't know why they don't mention that it will take a while for your accounts to grow. So again, for example, if you're doing YouTube, I highly doubt, unless you find a brand new product that no one is promoting yet, I highly doubt that you're going to be able to rank with a brand new account straight away. So you are going to have to spend time bedding in, creating additional videos to grow your account before you start to rank for those search terms. So just like anything out there, yes, lots of these beginner courses are fantastic. They're very useful. When I say beginner courses, I mean the beginner videos, the tutorials on the likes of YouTube and other platforms. They are great, they are very useful, those methods do work, but they are not going to work overnight. Again, if you're completely new, you're potentially competing against people that are slightly more established than you, but you don't have to compete against all of them, you just have to compete against the beginners that are a little bit further ahead than you. So there's people that have very small accounts and are getting results now. You just have to catch up to them and spend the time, again being patient, to get your accounts, get your SEO, get your game up to that level. So this is why I say do free initially, because it's going to take some time to bed in. So don't be rushing it, don't be trying to force things, and when you don't get results, don't just give up. It's patience, guys. Seriously, it's patience. Give yourself 3 months. There's no other business in the world that you can make profitable in such a short period of time. So literally, you could be making money within the first month to 6 weeks. There's no other business on this planet that I can think of that you could start doing that with without really any budget out there, with just social media, and that is it. To be starting to make money in as little as 6 weeks. Most other places you need to go and learn for a hell of a lot longer to learn any other type of method to make money, online or offline. So make sure you're patient, make sure you bed in your accounts, and make sure you avoid these mistakes that are on the board behind me. Now, with that said, I will put a link in the description to our academy if you would like more free training on affiliate marketing, traffic, templates to use, even content to use, and as I said, stuff to give away, everything else, then by all means, it's completely free. Click the link below and you can go through and check that out. Okay, hope you got some usefulness out of that video. Make sure that you comment below if you'd like to see more content like this. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.